Hello mga ka-trending, welcome back to ZK Trend. Talaga namang deserve ni na Donnie at Belle ang mga biyayang dumating nga sa kanila ngayon na kahit nga solo projects muna sila for now. Si Donnie nga ay cover magazine ng Zine Magazine ngayon at itong ating Belle Mariano naman ay June cover naman sa Cosmopolitan. Literal talaga na relevant pa rin ang ating Don Bell. At sa naturang magazine nga ay sinagot ni na Donnie at Belle ang buhay pag-ibig nila. Dahil nga dito kay Donnie, the foundation me and Belle have is already so deep. We'll always have that. At ayun naman dito kay Belle sa tanong nga na, so how exactly does Belle Mariano love? Ayun kay dito kay Belle, I'm not loud but I'm proud. I really value privacy. At the same time, I think I'm bits and pieces of all the love languages. She knows where the line is too. Don't let outside factors affect your relationship. You know what's real and what's not real. In that sense, I can say na that's how I protect my relationships. Through just knowing the boundaries, differentiating what's in social media and what's in real life. Sa ngayon nga ay may kanya-kanyang ginagawa itong ating Don Bell. Si Belle nga hanggang ngayon ay nasa China pa rin para nga sa well-deserved vacation with whole family. At itong ating Donnie naman ay nandito pa rin sa Pilipinas at nung nakarang araw nga ay dumalo ito sa premiere night nga ng movie ni Sue at ni Rico Blanco. Sa ngayon nga ay LDR muna ngayon itong ating Don Bell at kahit LDR ay suot pa rin ng dalawa ang match nilang bracelet.
Friends here in the LTV area.
Hello everyone, good evening.
Good evening, Donnie. We want to ask, who are you supporting at anong inaabangan mo for tonight?
Siyempre si Sue, katropa ko yan eh. Ever since day one, sobrang supportive niya sa akin. So sabi ko talaga, pupunta ako dito sa premiere night mo. And of course, si Kuya Rico, first time ko siya makikita umarte din. So I'm very excited for their tandem.
So medyo nakakaiba yung plot natin ng Project Baby. So it's just out there looking for a baby daddy, another option for the people who want a different plan in their life. Nung narinig mo yung plot na to, what was your first impression?
Wala ako, excited lang ako makita kung ano yung magiging performance nila kasi sobrang galing din ni Sue bilang artista, diba? So, it's something fresh, it's something different. So, just looking forward to seeing this film.
Correct. And our theme tonight is a gender reveal. Yes! Team boy ka ba or team girl? Anong sa team mo?
Wow. My sister just gave birth to a boy, so I will be team boy.
Perfect! Okay. If you had to tell Sandy ano yung bet mo na pangalan for team boy, what would you suggest?
Antonio, second name ko.
Maganda.
Oo, para same kami.
Okay, named after you pala.
Oo.
Ang anak niya.
Oo.
Okay, perfect. Donnie, thank you guys
Thank
so
you.